So here at RV Life, we have to make sure that we keep our camper smelling good. And Bath and Body Works recently had their candle clearance. So we got an Island Margarita and Vanilla Bean. It smells amazing. I wish you could smell it. And we got, what's this one? Raspberry and whipped vanilla. Yum. And one more is watermelon lemonade and eucalyptus mint. I don't know if I love that one. I can't say it and I don't know if I love it, but we have them. And the new ones have these little anti-grip things, which is great for a camper.